guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing fruit popsicles. So let's get on to the video. So the ingredients are 7-Up or Sprite, cut oranges, lemons, grapes, popsicle modes. Yuni, where do you think they should find the popsicle modes? Or yeah, I think they find them at IKEA. Thank you, Yuni, for helping us. Okay, so let's start the recipe. First, grab a popsicle mold. Put 2 oranges or more, as many as you want. Lemons and grapes. I'm adding 2. So then take some 7 and I'm gonna put it in the stand because it's easier to put in everything. So let me remove these. So it's filled up. Don't forget to not overflow it, because if you overflow it, all the 7-Up will come out and then they will become into icicles and it will be hard to take out the popsicle. Then put it in and that's it. So let's make some more. So I'm gonna add more oranges, lemons, grapes, and some 7. Oh no, this one's done. Let's see. Let's use the other one. So now let's add, I'm gonna add again some more oranges, lemons, grapes, 7-Up, so that's the last one. And guys, did you also know that lemons have 5 to 6% citric acid in them, and also Florida and California produce the most oranges in the USA. Yuni, did you know that? No, I didn't. This is so interesting. I learned so many things then. Yeah, I know. So let's finish up. We have the last 2 things in everything. So let's finish them up. Okay, and we're gonna freeze them now, and the freezing time is 3 hours or so. So we're gonna freeze them now. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. Here are the popsicles. So let's try one out. Wow, that was easy to remove. It's delicious. I love it. Let's ask you to try it out. Yuni, do you want to try it out? Yeah, sure. What do you think? I think it's amazing. Yeah, me too. It's really good. You taste the orange and it's really nice. And I think you should try it because it's easy, it's nice for the summertime, and it's refreshing. So, it's the end of the video. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and comment.